Hey, I want to thank this brand for sending this UpBowl. This is the best idea. I've never thought about this until recently. My husband threw his back out and bending over was really hard. So say you're elderly, you have a hard time bending over, you've had surgery, you've had knee replacement, you can't bend down like that to take care of your dog. This is genius. So it comes with 2 bowls. It is food grade plastic, BPA free. And then this is the little pole, so you can put it on your wrist. It's easily to hold on to, and then it is adjustable to the height you need it just by popping that open, and then you can do it however you need to and lock it into place. And it's such a great design, so you're gonna push it down into the bowl and then turn it, which is gonna make it so that it can't pull straight back out, and that's what's gonna lift it up and down. So you fill your dog's water bowl, food bowl up, stick this in, turn it, and then you're just able to lower it to the ground. Turn it, you've got it down there so that your dogs can eat, drink when they're done, or it's time to fill it back up.